it's your girl Hot Like Fire. What's up, guys? It's your girl Hot Like Fire, and I am here with a simple eyebrow routine. I went in and I did one eyebrow step by step. I could not do both on camera, so that's why I did it step by step. It is a talk through, step by step, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do enjoy this video, please don't forget to subscribe to the Hot Like Fire. You'll always see when I have a new video posted.
Alright, so I'm going to take the spoolie on the back of a pencil and I'm going to brush my eyebrows upward. And then I'm going to take a concealer brush and some concealer. And this is what I'm going to use to clean up under my brow and help me to not have to exaggerate too much on outlining them. So I'm going to follow my natural brow line and just draw a simple little line to conceal them that I'm going to later buff out. Now I'm going to take a Real Techniques buffing brush and I'm going to buff out that concealer. And I'm going to make sure that it blends as much as possible. This concealer is a little light for me, being that I kind of darkened up a little bit. Now I am going to take that same Precisely My Brow pencil, and I'm using the other side with the pencil on it, and I'm going to go in and use that concealer line to start outlining my brows. And I use the concealer as a guide to help me know where to draw the line. I'm going to go in on the top and I'm going to do the same exact thing. You can outline your brows using the concealer on top as well. I choose not to do that because I do not have an arch up there and I have to sometimes exaggerate it, as you see me doing in the video. And I try to get my arch as close to the other side as I can. Sometimes it gets a little challenging, but I always make a way. Now I'm going to take that spoolie and I'm going to brush the product through my brows. Try to be careful not to brush too hard because you can move the product out of place. Once you do that, I'm going to take my 24-hour brow setter by Benefit and I'm going to use this to set my brows. It basically keeps the hair in place. I'm going to brush the front of my brows upward and the rest along the way it grows. Once I do that, I'm going to go in and fill in some spots that I may have messed up. Sometimes if you don't let the product dry, it will move. And I'm just fixing spots that I've missed. You're going to take some concealer, that same brush, without adding any concealer. And you're going to try to get as close as to the top of your brow as you can without touching it or altering the shape. My camera died, but I had to blend the concealer out, you guys. So basically, now that I've blended out the top, I'm going to take this pencil and I'm going to draw fine hair strokes in my brow. And if you know how many you did on the other side, you can match it. I did about 6 on the other side, so I'm going to draw about 6 on this side. Once I do that, I'm going to go in and correct. I usually like to look in the mirror to see if they somewhat match. The goal is to keep them as natural as possible. So that's just what I try to do. On my other brow, I have a little bit more concealer, so I'm just trying to match that concealer on this side. And I'm going to buff that out as such. And now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and I'm going to clean off as much concealer as I can, because the concealer does not blend in with my skin as I would like it to, and I'm not wearing makeup or no foundation on top, so I'm going to get as much of it as I can off. It looks very, very shady on camera, but it's not that far off in person. And that is my brows, you guys. If you would like to see more videos from me, please subscribe to my channel. Become part of the Hot Like Fire squad.